I'm going to tell you 3 tactics insurance companies use to pay you less money, and I'm going to show you how to avoid these tactics and win full compensation. 1. Insurance companies pretend that they are on your side. They suggest that they are doing everything in their power to close your case and ensure that you get the settlement you deserve. It is important to understand that the insurance company are not on your side. In fact, it is their goal to provide you with a lowball offer in the hopes of minimizing their losses and closing the case as quickly as possible. 2. Insurance adjusters suggest that you provide a statement. One of the most common strategy insurance company will employ will be to convince you to do a recorded statement. However, the goal of this statement is to get you to admit that you're at least partially at fault to your accident. The purpose of this statement is also to undermine your claim and to offer you a low settlement. Adjusters may record your statement to use against you in trial. Whatever you do, do not make a statement to an insurance adjuster before speaking to your attorney. 3. The insurance company may offer you an early settlement. Another common tactic is that the adjuster may offer you an early settlement immediately after the accident. As tempted as you may be to receive these funds faster, do not accept this settlement. You may not know the extent of your injuries and damages at this time. Speak to a personal injury attorney about your damages to evaluate if you're receiving a fair offer. My name is Paige Lee with Herrmann Law Group with State of Washington, and I want to share a story about my client named Brian. Brian was injured in a rear-end accident. He had to go to the urgent care afterwards due to a severe neck pain and headache. An x-ray was taken and there was no broken bone. A couple of weeks later, the adjuster called to suggest to Brian that they settle the case, which totaled about $400 plus $1,000. He was tempted to take the offer. One of his friends, who was our former client, recommended that he should contact our office for a free strategy session. I told him that we have his best interest in mind and he shouldn't settle until he knows the full extent of his injury. Brian ended up being hurt much worse than he thought. He went to a doctor, had an MRI, and found out that he had a disc injury. He had over $15,000 more in medical expenses. We were able to settle the case and collected more money under his UIM policy. He ended up with over $40,000 in his pocket. Not only he got the treatment he needed, but he received fair compensation. This case is a perfect example of why accident victims should wait. Consult with the reputable attorney office and take time before settling a case. Even after the attorney fee, you will still get a significantly larger settlement. Remember, insurance companies do not make money by paying out your claim. They make money by collecting your premium and paying as few claims as possible. If you or know somebody who has been in a car accident, what you can do right now is click the link below with this video and enter some information, and I will contact you personally. I'll give you a free strategy session. During this strategy session with a team of our attorneys, I will give you an honest opinion if it's beneficial to retain an attorney on your case. I will also guide you on what you should do, what your next steps should be, completely for free. Click the link included with this video and I will contact you as soon as possible. Herrmann Law Group is here for you.